Hello and welcome to the stream. A quick one today, and what I'm going to talk about is free promo codes. So everyone always asks me, what are the promo codes? Can I get extra Bitcoin for signing up to the exchanges and the apps that I talk about? Well, the answer is yes. So on YouTube, in every description of every video I do, so this was one of the latest ones here. If you look under affiliate links, you will find the current codes that I've got. So even if this video is outdated in a few months' time, all the latest promo codes I have will be in the section of the latest YouTube video. I'm going to leave them in this video and the links below. But for the latest ones, you need to check out my latest YouTube video at the time. So first one that I've got here is Celsius. So if you join using this referral code, you can earn $20 of free Bitcoin. Click on the link. You better probably do it on a mobile. And all you have to do is download the app, enter that code, and then you can get your $20 of free Bitcoin once you deposit $200 or more. Next one is Coinbase. So when you buy or sell $100 more of currency, you'll get free $10 worth of Bitcoin. And then the other one is Swissborg. This works a little bit different. So with Swissborg, you can get up to $100 worth in free Bitcoin. So what will happen is you sign up, you deposit, and then it will randomly gift you an amount of Bitcoin. So it could be, $5, $10, $50, $100. Someone clicked my referral link the other day and they got $75 of Bitcoin, which is really good. I mean, if you're going to join the app anyway, you might as well use the referral codes and get yourself an extra bit of crypto for free. These are the three main ones I've got at the moment. As I say, there will be more links that will go on, but just keep checking out the latest video at the time, and this is where all the updated referral links will be for you to access. That's it for today. That's all I wanted to really talk about. Any new links will be posted on my latest videos. I do 2 new videos every week. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.